Okay.
Fun day on the range with Scully. Well, at least fun for me. I don't know. You having fun?
I'm having a ball.
Okay.
I'm behind the camera
Today we're
today.
shooting the Smith&Wesson Airweight. Um, nice little 5-shot, plus plea rated. Weighs next to nothing. And with full house loads,
Can you pick
kicks
it up
like
a little more
mule.
for me? I'm
Huh?
trying to get in close to you. Can you pick it up a little bit more for me? There
Up
we
here?
go.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a with full house loads, it kicks like a mule, but not unbearable. We're just shooting at some generic targets at relatively reasonable distances for self-protection. So at 7, 10, 15, and maybe 11, 10, 9 yards, something like that. All at different angles. I'm using my hand-loaded little 100 grain
Lipstick.
lipstick bullets. They're polymer coated bullets. They're very light loaded, great for practice. Shoots close to the point of aim of my carry ammo, but a little lower, and doesn't kick nearly as much. So well, let's just shoot some.
I'm going to step back a little bit here.
Okay. 2 on the first target and 1 on each other on the rest of them. The 2 lower targets, and then try to do center of mass on the rest. We didn't cover him up in the last shoot, so you get to see how Gypsy shot before me. So. And
Here's Victor's shots. He shot the C, or Scully's shots. The A, right there.
yeah.
And his proudest shot, not. I don't know where you shot. Oh, right there. And then
The bottom 2.
he's a very good shot.
Here's a little plug for the company I get my targets from. It's called Baker Targets. When they come up here, you can get their BakerTargets.com. They are
Say that again without the cough.
they are from BakerTargets.com. I love these type of targets. The regular A, B, C zone targets. They're really, not that they're easy to shoot at, but they're more realistic to what you can get out of a carry gun. Most carry guns are not tack drivers. They're not bullseye guns. They're little guns like LCPs and the little Smith&Wesson J-frames. But using one of these targets, you get very used to shooting center of mass.
Sorry.
There's Gypsy's beautiful face hiding behind it. And
As you can see, they are the size of a person.
they're very realistic in size. So when you're setting them out at 10 or 15 or 20 yards, it's very realistic.
They are made the U.S.
Yep.
They
They're made
have them-
in Florida. There's a company's in Florida. There's a printing company down there. They actually do magazines and other stuff, and they decided to get into the target business as some way to expand, and their their revenue. Yeah, and they do an excellent job. They have fun targets. They have really challenging targets. But these and the bullseye targets that I use for my long guns they're really great, and the price, you can't beat it. That's back on the range with Scully. We're going to be shooting the Glock 42, my little favorite. This has been a really good gun. It's, in the other video I mentioned how slick the trigger was. And we're going to do a series of double taps and see if I can do it any justice. Seeing that the hand's been messed up. But it doesn't kick very much. So let's see how well I can do. You ready? You good? All right. Here we go. Looks like I got a few outside the egg.
Did you miss?
Yeah, I kind of yanked that one right
that
up
one
there.
yanked right out.
Well, I shot him in the air.
But most of them are nice, good shots. That one's the one that hit the target in the back.
I was going to give him a pierced ear.
Oh, okay.
You know, give him something to think about. What
See,
they do in
even the
old
best
Westerns,
shooter will
I'm
make a
gonna give you
mistake once in
something
a
to
while.
remember me by.
Yes.
And I give you a pierced ear.
Even the best shooter makes a mistake once in a while.
And this is 15 yards. It's not
Yes.
what most people would consider self-defense.
I'll show you
distance.
from here. That's where he was shooting from, back there at the tables. Try not to wobble too much while I'm walking. And it is a slight downhill here, but he was standing right about here. And he is shooting at an angle.